Hello and good day. As we continue our communication series, we are talking about optimistic people. Are you an optimistic person? Are you optimistic in your traits and or your attitude? Here are some things that let you know when you're dealing with the optimistic person or if you are an optimistic person. You always view things as it's going to be okay. You look at the positive of all outcomes. You don't dwell on negative thoughts or feelings about things. You see them as being full of possibilities. You're hopeful, you're grateful for the small things that happen in life. You accept challenges as a part of what it's going to take to make you a better person or the outcome to be better. You accept the challenges versus getting in like a woe is me, a pity party mood. Now, other things that make you an optimistic person are you hold to positive feelings about things and a hopeful attitude, and you look at people in positive ways versus negative ways. You don't allow negative things to ruin your day. When something happens, you just move forward and you look at it as a solution to problems versus like the doomsday of the problems. Now, here is when being too optimistic can be a little dangerous. You may be a carefree person and you're not really observing things as what they truly are, which is not a bad thing. However, to be more cautious about things, you have to view things both ways. Do a negative and a positive so that you can make the best decision based off of reality versus just your overwhelming feeling for things to turn out right. And when you do this, you can make decisions more cautiously and your outcomes can be more positive for all that are involved. Not just that whole positive feeling like, oh, this is great, and not really viewing the situation for what it really is. So that's where it could be a little dangerous if you're so optimistic and you don't realize or see the problems in a situation. And it's hard to communicate with someone who's not optimistic as you are. So sometimes it's a turn off to people. They're like, why is this person always so happy? And so you have to kind of calm it down so that you don't seem delusional or you don't seem like as if you have mental disabilities or mental issues. Because some people just don't understand that. How a person can be so positive all the time, which is really good though. Surround yourself around people who think like you so that you're not feeling as if you're wrong or you're feeling as if something's wrong with you, because there's not. However, it is good to also view things thoroughly and not just running through the valley with the daisies and nothing's ever going to happen. Look at the situation as best as you can from all views so that you create a more safer environment for yourself, because not all people are positive people. And when you're a positive person, it could again just turn people off. So understand their point of view, hear them out clearly, especially when you're communicating with somebody. It may be hard for you to understand how a person doesn't see the light at the end of the tunnel if you're a positive person, if you're always thinking optimistically. It's hard to communicate with people, and it's hard for people to understand you because they don't feel that you're realistically looking at the situation. Although you may be, because you just want and you desire and you understand how positive things are and how to take negatives to turn them positively for your life. Some people don't understand that, and that's okay. As I said, neither one is right or wrong. However, if you want to be understood and if you want to be able to communicate with people more clearly, listen to what they're saying and take it into consideration. Don't shut them out because they may be more negative looking at the situation than what you are perceiving it.